Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship and this is for your career circumstances, guys. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Temperance in reverse, Papist, and the Fool in reverse. So, in your circumstances, guys, Virgos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who is trying to be really calm, hold yourself. Maybe certain circumstances are pushing you to your limits. Maybe in your work there are a lot of difficulties you may be facing, obstacles, things are not going in the right way or things are not happening as planned. So you are really worried, anxious, and you feel that you are using all your skills and talents, making all those efforts needed. But whatever it is, you are in some difficult circumstances, guys, and the reason may be it may be some carelessness on your part, or it may be with the people you work with, or if it is in your personal life, maybe this person you love, they are quite careless, they are not like you, maybe, guys, because I see that you are someone who wants to do things in the right way, who want to uh, handle your situation perfectly, and you are trying to make a lot of efforts. But this person you love, they may be quite careless, maybe they are making some mistakes, something unintentional mistakes it may be, but still it is giving you a lot of difficulties, guys. And maybe today you have someone really close to you. So, for some of you Virgos, it may be this person you love. They are having clarity, or they have a better understanding and wisdom in your circumstances, and they are here helping you out, guys, helping you to make the right decision for you, to have that peace of mind, have that balance in your circumstances. So whatever needs to be done, this person is guiding you, acting as an inspiration for you in your circumstances, Virgos. So this may be your person's energy, maybe they are here to guide you, guys. And though you are seeing difficulties, maybe some mistakes of some people, you are feeling really frustrated, pushed to your limits, and maybe some of you are even angry with the way things are going, and you feel that you will lose your mind or lose that peace of mind if this situation goes on like this. So there are certain things which are not in your hand, something out of control, guys, in your circumstances. So it may be your circumstances, or it may be the person you love. So you need to do something about that. So for that, we have one card for your relationship, guys. It is Nine of Spheres. So, with this card, it just means that in this connection, maybe you will come to a realization, guys, of what is the um, truth, or what is the thing that will give you happiness and balance in this circumstances. So, whatever will work for you, you will know that, and you have come to an understanding. So, you have faced a lot of difficulty in your life, Virgos, and maybe today, even today, you may be angry for something, for some reason, but whatever it is, you are going to get clarity very soon, guys. So you are going to once again have that peace of mind, going to find that balance in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Six of Spheres. So with this card, it just means that there may be certain difficulties you are facing in this relationship. Sorry guys, this is for your career. For your career, but you have people you can rely on, people who work with you, who are truly concerned with you. So there are people who are careless, but there are people who are truly concerned. So you need to rely on those people whom you can, and make things work for your benefit, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Virgos, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Virgos, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy. and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose this second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you are working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.